The Dewalt, the Hilti or Eneacro? Perhaps the Makita or the Bosch? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 rotary hammer drills available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best rotary hammer drills. The 5th product on this list is the Eneacro SDS-Plus. Rotary hammer drills are used predominantly for drilling through concrete. Compared to regular tools, they deliver much larger amounts of impact force at a higher rate, making them very effective for drilling through even-aged concrete. We like the Eneacro SDS-Plus for these kinds of tasks because it has a powerful 13-amp industrial motor providing 5.5 foot-pounds or 7.4 joules of impact energy. This makes it suitable for concrete and metalworking projects. We appreciate that it has a heat-resistant copper wire motor that allows for a longer working time without burning out the machine, and the anti-dust bottom structure extends the hammer's use life. Additionally, this high-performance electric rotary hammer helps to increase your efficiency and make tough jobs easier. It also has an aluminum alloy housing design that makes it sturdy and durable. Moreover, this unit has 4 different functions, making it suitable for wood, steel, concrete, and more. The chisel position adjustment allows you to quickly adapt to work scenarios and is easy to switch. Another advantage is that you can quickly change the functions with 2 different switches. What's more, the double function switch design can extend its service life 100% compared to the single function switch design. It even has a safety clutch protection that protects your wrist when the hammer is subjected to high torque force. Similarly, with the 360 degrees adjustable handle that applies and the upgraded double-layer anti-vibration system with PU soft grip to reduce fatigue, you'll be able to use this unit all day without an issue. Its pros are, it is easy to switch between the different functions, making you more efficient. It has a heat-resistant copper wire motor that lasts longer, and its ergonomic design reduces vibrations, making it more comfortable to use. However, it seems to struggle with temperatures around 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, so it may not be ideal for winter projects. The Eneacro SDS-Plus is a handy unit to have because it helps you with a wide range of heavy-duty tasks that ordinary tools just can't deal with. Up next in 4th place is the Bosch Bulldog Max. If you're looking for reliability, you can never go wrong with Bosch products. This is a 1 1/8 inch rotary hammer with incredible power and speed to get the job done. It weighs only 6.9 pounds and features a robust 8.5 amp motor that provides outstanding performance. We found it delivers 2.4 feet-pounds of impact energy and 0 to 5,100 impacts per minute. It incorporates an advanced Bosch technology that provides operators control and comfort and has 3 modes for maximum versatility when drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling. The user can even optimize the chiseling angle with Vari-Lock position. Concrete contractors, framers, and other construction pros can use this hammer to get more work done more efficiently. Furthermore, the kickback control uses an integrated sensor to stop tool rotation during bit bind-up situations. The counterbalance vibration control improves user comfort during drilling or chiseling applications. We particularly like that the Vari-Lock rotates and locks the chisel to optimize the working angle and the variable speed trigger with reversing, which offers accurate bit starting. What's more, the multifunction selector makes it easy to switch the drilling, hammer, and chiseling modes, and users can adjust tool settings based on the application and material. Lastly, the ergonomic D-handle design is ideal for both overhead and downward drilling applications, making it far more versatile. Its pros are, it has a robust 8.5 amp motor that provides outstanding performance, it has a balanced vibration control that improves the user's comfort, and it has a multifunction selector which makes it easy to switch modes. However, the storage box is not of particularly good quality. The Bosch Bulldog Max is a robust and effective tool that's range of features makes it perfect for DIY and professional uses. Still haven't found a rotary hammer drill that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Makita LXT. This next rotary hammer drill makes it on this list thanks to its high-end brushless motor technology for an up to 50% longer runtime. We like that it is the industry's first capacity rotary hammer in the 18 volts cordless category, powered by an efficient motor with variable speed that delivers 0 to 950 rotations and 4,700 beats per minute. It's clearly made for ease of use and efficiency, as it includes 3 modes and a large 2-finger trigger for more convenience and greater comfort. There's even a depth adjustment guide for increased drilling depth accuracy. We found that the variable speed trigger enables users to match the speed to the application for greater versatility. Another advantage is that the torque limiting clutch prevents gear damage by automatically disengaging gears if the bit binds. Additionally, this unit drills a 3/4 inch hole in the concrete in half the time when compared to standard devices. Lastly, built-in overload protection allows the battery and tool to communicate to protect it while extending the battery life, making this a tool you can rely on day in and day out. Its pros are: it has a speed trigger that improves its versatility, it has a torque limiting clutch that prevents damage to the gear system, and its brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for a longer life. However, you must remove the battery to check the charge level, which is sometimes a little inconvenient. The Makita LXT is a powerful and well-made tool that will make any construction work easier. The second product on this list is the Dewalt Max XR. Here we have a cordless rotary hammer drill that provides 3.5 joules of impact energy even without the cord. Having this kind of force without the limitation on the cable means you can work from anywhere. We like that the hammer drill features an E-clutch for maximum control in bind-up situations with a performance and a protection feature. It also has an active vibration control mechanism which reduces the vibration felt by the user at the handles, allowing you to work for longer. Moreover, we love the incredibly long runtime. It is ideally suited for all-day use with large diameter hole drilling, even in the hardest concrete. Additionally, the Dewalt Max XR comes in at just under 9 pounds, making it easy to transport, but still providing enough weight that it doesn't bounce while drilling. All in all, it's a great choice for any handyman. Its pros are: it has an E-clutch which prevents binding, it has vibration deadening technology to save your wrist from injury, and it is just as powerful running off battery as a wired unit. However, the depth gauge is plastic and a bit too flimsy for our liking. The Dewalt Max XR is an easy-to-use, highly effective unit that would suit any contractor in the building industry. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top rotary hammer drill is the Hilti TE 7C. This unit is an ideal tool for drilling hardwood, steel, concrete, or really anything where high torque is required. We like that it has a powerful 6.26 amp motor that delivers impressive power of up to 4,200 impacts per minute and 740 revolutions per minute. We like that it is equipped with the forward and reverse switch and that it weighs just 7.5 pounds for more convenience. What's more, it operates at an acceptable noise level of 89 decibels, so standard ear protection will be more than enough. It also has an ergonomically designed D-grip for comfortable use over a long period. Moreover, its compact build makes it effortless to carry around a job site or use for an extended period without tiring out your muscles. This is an important factor to consider if you're going to be using it daily. Furthermore, it has a nominal drilling diameter from 5/32 to 1 3/32 inches, making it suitable for most tasks. We also think it is excellent for corrective chiseling and making small channel openings in concrete. Plus, it is robust and engineered for maximum reliability and a long life. What's more, the tool comes with Hilti's signature 1-2-20 warranty, which guarantees to repair the device within 1 day or provide the repair for free. They will replace or fix the tool for 2 years, even for issues caused by wear and tear. And if the problem is Hilti's fault, they will replace the tool under their 20-year guarantee. This is an unbeatable offer you won't want to miss out on. Its pros are: it has a forward and reverse switch and comfortable D-grip for your convenience, it easily sinks into even the hardest concrete, it is lightweight and can be transported easily, and it has an incredibly comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. However, if you are trying to drill into masonry at an angle, it might skip or get bound up, although this is an issue all tools of this type have. The Hilti TE 7C is a brilliant unit that provides everything you could want from a rotary hammer drill in one compact and very reliable package. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.